Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Get well soon.
Get well soon.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
How are you?
How are you?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I don't know.
I don't know.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
See you later.
See you later.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
I'm from London.
I'm 7 years old.
I'm 7 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Take care.
Take care.
What is this?
What is this?
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
That's funny.
That's funny.
Stop it.
Stop it.
That's great.
That's great.
Let me help you.
Let me help you.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm angry.
I'm angry.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Let's play.
Let's play.
What's wrong?
What's wrong?
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
I like it.
I like it.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Time for bed.
Time for bed.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Don't give up.
Don't give up.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
That's enough.
That's enough.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Good job.
Good job.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It's a cat.
It's a cat.
I like music.
I like music.
I like dancing.
I like dancing.
I have a book.
I have a book.
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up.
That's mine.
That's mine.
Let's share.
Let's share.
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
I have a toy.
I have a toy.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
Please repeat.
Please repeat.
I'm studying.
I'm studying.
I'm playing.
I'm playing.
Speak slowly.
Speak slowly.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Say sorry.
Say sorry.
Be nice.
Be nice.
I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
I'm free.
I'm free.
Let's draw.
Let's draw.
I can jump.
I can jump.
I can read.
I can read.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
Let's count.
Let's count.
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
I'm busy.
I'm busy.
Let's stay inside.
Let's stay inside.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.